go drop out and go to the bottom. That was Dick 234 and 4. That was David Barker out of West. Building Boost in the busted knuckle Dodge. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a new leader, Adam Flom out of Cartersville. Eric Hampson and fortune teller. Broke off. We need the forklift, guys. Oh, we got the forklift. We got a wrecker on that New Holland tractor, courtesy of Stanky Tractor Sales. These guys, Slicky boys, made these up. One night at Greenville, they had one on the back end, one night at Greenville, they had tractor on the back, tractor on the front, hauling her off the track. It was all locked up and
Hey, I'm sure he'll take some monetary donations here. Yeah, I couldn't tell what.
Great time to go check our concessionaires throughout while they get this off, get the track done. It's going to be a few more minutes yet. Right behind me, you got Bowman's with 2 trailers. You got Riss Miller's and the Chuck Wagon. Get you something to eat over here in the pit area real quick. Our next bowler will be Josh Clark, then Michael Carter. Steve Keener will be done with this class. They'll be ready for the 2-5 class. So guys, it'd be a great time to go back and get something to eat. They're not real busy right now. If you're over the grandstand, you go out and check everybody out over there. Kittle Texas, Kittle Corn, and they got mini donuts and dog and suds, root beer, chemos, shives, all these homemade ice cream, and all the other goodies over there. Don't forget all of our sponsors I've been talking about tonight, whether they're a fair sponsor or a smokeout sponsor. With these people, we cannot do this. A lot of hard work from quite a few people trying to get everything done, take care of everything, have a good show. We've been working, the Smokeout Committee has been working for a couple of years to get this tower rebuilt over here that they call it the Crow's Nest. And it finally come to fruition this spring. They came in and rebuilt it. They came in and rebuilt it and everything. And smoke out on Friday evening, it rained and water run right down the steps. Me and a couple other guys, we talked, and we need a piece of spouting. Come back for the fair, and we had these. Josh Clark of Lewisburg. RPM's coming up nice and easy. Michael Carpenter, Steve Keener, and ready for the 2-5.